Important question for second grade. Father of poetry, Geoffrey Chaucer, said by Dryden. ड्राइडन ने कहा था चौसर को फादर ऑफ पोइट्री। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश लिटरेचर, जोफ्री चौसर को फादर ऑफ लिटरेचर कहा जाता है, लिटरेचर। फादर ऑफ एसे, फादर ऑफ एसे कहा जाता है माइकल डी मॉन्टेग्नी को। माइकल डी मॉन्टेग्नी को फादर ऑफ एसे कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे बेकन को कहा जाता है, फ्रांसिस बेकन को। फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न प्रोज, फ्रांसिस बेकन को कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ रिवेंज ट्रेजेडी, थॉमस किड को। फादर ऑफ रिवेंज ट्रेजेडी, थॉमस किड को कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश नॉवल, हेनरी फील्डिंग को फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश नॉवल कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल, सर वाल्टर स्कॉट को फादर ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल नॉवल कहा जाता है, सर वाल्टर स्कॉट को। फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश क्रिटिसिज्म, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश क्रिटिसिज्म में कहा जाता है जॉन ड्राइडन को। डॉक्टर जॉनसन ने जॉन ड्राइडन को फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश क्रिटिसिज्म कहा था। फादर ऑफ इंडियन मॉडर्न पोएट्री, निसिम एजिकल, फादर ऑफ इंडियन मॉडर्न पोएट्री निसिम एजिकल को कहा जाता है। प्रिंस ऑफ एसेइस्ट, चार्ल्स लेम को प्रिंस ऑफ एसेइस्ट कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ प्री लेफ्लाइट मूवमेंट, डीजी रोसेटी, दांते गैब्रिएल रोसेटी को फादर ऑफ प्री लेफ्लाइट मूवमेंट कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरी, एडगर एलन पॉय को फादर ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरी कहा जाता है, एडगर एलन पॉय को। फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ड्रामा, एजियन ओनील को फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न ड्रामा कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ ड्रामा, क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो को फादर ऑफ ड्रामा कहा जाता है, फादर ऑफ ड्रामा क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो को कहा जाता है। फादर ऑफ गॉथिक नॉवल, होरास वाल्पोल को फादर ऑफ गॉथिक नॉवल कहा जाता है, होरास वाल्पोल को। फाउंडर ऑफ मेटाफिजिकल पोएट्री, जॉन डन को कहा जाता है। फाउंडर ऑफ कॉकनी स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री, विलियम हेजलिट को फाउंडर ऑफ कॉकनी स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री कहा जाता है। फाउंडर ऑफ ग्रेवयार्ड स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री, थॉमस ग्रे को। अदर ग्रेवयार्ड पोइट्स आर रॉबर्ट ब्लेयर एंड एडवर्ड यंग। तो फादर ऑफ ग्रेवयार्ड स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री कहा जाता है थॉमस ग्रे को। फाउंडर ऑफ लेग स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री कहा जाता है वर्ड्सवर्थ को। फाउंडर ऑफ लेग स्कूल ऑफ पोएट्री वर्ड्सवर्थ को कहा जाता है। अदर लेग पोइट्स आर साउदी एंड कोलरिज। फाउंडर ऑफ एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल कहा जाता है सैमुअल रिचर्डसन को। फादर ऑफ एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल कहा जाता है सैमुअल रिचर्डसन को। मॉर्निंग स्टार ऑफ रेनेसा कहा जाता है जोफ्री चौसर को। मॉर्निंग स्टार ऑफ रिफॉर्मेशन कहा जाता है जॉन वाइक्लिफ को। प्रिंस ऑफ एसेइस्ट कहा जाता है चार्ल्स लेम को, कहा जाता है। पोइट कहा जाता है एडमंड स्पेंसर को। वो प्रैक्टिस हीरोइक कपलेट फर्स्ट, जोफ्री चौसर थे, उन्होंने हीरोइक कपलेट को फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस किया था। वे कपलेट को सर्वप्रथम जोफ्री चौसर ने। वो इंट्रोड्यूस द प्रिंटिंग प्रेस, जॉन गुटनबर्ग ने प्रिंटिंग प्रेस को इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। वो इंट्रोड्यूस द प्रिंटिंग प्रेस इन इंग्लैंड, विलियम कर्कस्टोन ने प्रिंटिंग प्रेस को इंग्लैंड में इंट्रोड्यूस किया था। वो कॉइन्ड द टर्म मेटाफिजिकल, डॉक्टर जॉनसन ने मेटाफिजिकल टर्म कॉइन की थी, डॉक्टर जॉनसन ने कॉइन की थी। हु कॉइन्ड द टर्म मेटाफिजिक्स, जॉन ड्राइडन ने कॉइन की थी मेटाफिजिक्स। जो मेटाफिजिक्स थी वो किसने कॉइन की थी, जॉन ड्राइडन ने। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ सोनेट, गाइकोमो डी लेंटिनी वॉज द फर्स्ट exponent of sonnet. Who popularized the form sonnet, Francisco Petrarch. Who brought sonnet in England, Thomas White brought sonnet in England. Who is the child of Renaissance and Reformation, Edmund Spenser is the child of Renaissance and Reformation. Who gave the authorized version of Bible, King James I gave the authorized version of Bible. Who is known as the Bard of Avon, William Shakespeare is known as the Bard of Avon. Bard of Avon. Who first used the blank verse? Earl of Surrey used first blank verse. Who first used the blank verse in drama? क्रिस्टोफर मार्लिन ने सर्वप्रथम ब्लैक वर्स का ड्रामा में उपयोग किया था. Who first introduced the free verse in English? इंट्रोड्यूस फर्स्ट इंग्लिश फ्री वर्स को इंग्लिश में वाल्ट विटमैन ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. Who is the exponent of sprung rhythm? स्प्रंग रिदम का एक्सपोनेंट किसने किया था? G.M. हॉपकिंस ने स्प्रंग रिदम को एक्सपोनेंट किया था. Who coined the term art for art's sake? विक्टर कजिन ने आर्ट फॉर आर्ट्स सेक टर्म को कॉइन किया था. Who coined the term यूनिवर्सिटी विट्स? यूनिवर्सिटी विट्स किसने दिया था? जॉन सेंट्सबरी ने. तो जॉन सेंट्सबरी ने यूनिवर्सिटी विट्स टर्म दी थी. जॉन सेंट्सबरी ने. Who coined the term यूनिवर्सिटी विट्स? जॉन सेंट्सबरी. Who coined the term Gothic? जॉन जॉर्जियो वसारी. जॉन जॉर्जियो वसारी coined the term Gothic. जॉन जॉर्जियो वसारी. जॉन जॉर्जियो वसारी coined the term Gothic. जॉन जॉर्जियो वसारी coined the term Gothic. Who coined the term willing to suspension of disbelief? St. Coleridge. St. Coleridge coined the term willing to suspension of disbelief. St. Coleridge coined the term willing to suspension of disbelief. Who coined the term negative capability? Negative capability टर्म किसने दी थी? जॉन किट्स ने. नेगेटिव कैपेबिलिटी टर्म किसने दी थी? जॉन किट्स ने. Who coined the term इमेजिज्म? इमेजिज्म टर्म किसने दी थी? T.E. ह्यूम ने. T.E. ह्यूम ने इमेजिज्म टर्म दी थी. Who coined the term पोएटिक जस्टिस? पोएटिक जस्टिस टर्म किसने दी थी? थॉमस राइमर ने. थॉमस राइमर ने पोएटिक जस्टिस टर्म दी थी. थॉमस राइमर ने. Who coined the term टच स्टोन मेथड? टच स्टोन मेथड किसने दी थी? मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड ने. टच स्टोन मेथड किसने दी थी? मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड ने. Who coined the term पैथेटिक फेलेसी? पैथेटिक फेलेसी किसने दी थी? जॉन रस्किन ने. Who coined the term dissociation of sensibility? T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot coined the term dissociation of sensibility. Who coined the term objective correlative? T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot ने dissociation of sensibility दी थी और objective correlative भी T.S. Eliot ने दी थी. Who coined the term stream of consciousness? William James coined the term stream of consciousness. William James. Who coined the term stream of consciousness? William James. Who coined the term poetic justice? Thomas Rhymer. Thomas Rhymer coined the term poetic justice. Who said that poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings? William Wordsworth said that poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. Who said that poetry is the criticism of life? Matthew Arnold said that poetry is the criticism of life. Renaissance. The Renaissance started in England in 15th century. Renaissance started in England in 15th century. Which age is called the age of Shakespeare? Renaissance. Which age is called age the early romantic period? Renaissance. Renaissance age is called age the early romantic period. Which period is called the mature period of English language? Renaissance period is called the mature period of English language. Literally, Renaissance means rebirth. Renaissance is a French word. Renaissance is a French word. Renaissance was revival and reawakening of knowledge. Where was Renaissance start in 14th century? Italy. Renaissance was started in 14th century in Italy. Morning star of religious reformation was John Wycliffe. Morning star of religious reformation was John Wycliffe. Morning star of Renaissance was Geoffrey Chaucer. Morning star of Renaissance was Geoffrey Chaucer. The last great Renaissance poet was John Milton. The last great Renaissance poet was John Milton. What was the important trait of Renaissance? Humanism. Humanism was the important trait of Renaissance. From where did the Greek scholars came to all Europe? Constantinople. From the Greek scholar came to Europe. What was the essence of Renaissance? Man discovered himself and the universe. The essence of Renaissance was the man discovered himself and the universe. What served as a vehicle to spread literature everywhere? The invention of printing press served as a vehicle to spread literature everywhere. Columbus discovered America in Renaissance period. America was discovered by Columbus in Renaissance period. The Renaissance period. Who found the solar system? Copernicus found the solar system. Who brought church and the state together in 1530s? Henry VIII brought church and the state together in 1530s. Henry VIII. From which church did Henry VIII break ties? Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic Church Henry VIII broke ties. Which Christian sect flourished in England after breaking ties with Roman Catholics? Protestant. Which term was followed by literature before the Renaissance? Theocentric. Theocentric term was followed by literature before the Renaissance. Theocentric means God is the center of the universe. After the emergence of Renaissance, homocentric became the basic of literature. Homocentric means man is the center of the universe. The death of the medieval scholasticism. Renaissance. The death of medieval scholasticism is Renaissance. Renaissance revolted against spiritual authority and papal authority. Renaissance revolted against spiritual authority and papal authority. Renaissance implies greater perception of beauty and polish to Greek and Latin scholars. The Requiem of the Stories of Troy was first published book by Caxton. The Requiem of the Stories of Troy was first published book by Caxton. When was the Requiem of the Stories of Troy published? In 1475. William Caxton brought printing press to England in 1476. In 1476, William Caxton brought printing press to England. John Gutenberg and his companions published a Bible in Germany in 1455. Medievalism changed into Renaissance exactly from 1485. Medievalism changed into Renaissance exactly from 1485. The Canterbury Tales was first published in 1476. Who are considered as model in Renaissance? Greeks and Romans. Greeks and Romans are considered as the model in Renaissance. How were Renaissance and Protestant Reformation similar? Spirit of inquiry. Were Renaissance and Protestant Reformation similar? What was the emphasis of Renaissance? Individual. Individual was the emphasis of the Renaissance. The techniques of perspective, realism, and individualism were used in Renaissance art. Which entity lost its power in the Renaissance? Roman Catholic entity lost its power in the Renaissance. Who was the father of humanism? Petrarch. Renaissance had little importance for ordinary women. Who wrote Utopia? Thomas More wrote Utopia. Blame of society's problems was placed on the society itself by Thomas More's Utopia. According to Renaissance thinkers, women should be educated only for knitting, music, and dancing. Martin Luther translated the New Testament into German for the first time. The nature of relationship between church and individual was changed by Reformation. The King James Bible was made by 47 scholars. When was Utopia published in Latin? 1516. 1516. Who translated Utopia into England in 1551? Ralph Robinson. Ralph Robinson translated Utopia into English in 1551. Gorboduc was the first English tragedy. Gorboduc was the first English tragedy. Who wrote Gorboduc? Gorboduc was the first English tragedy wrote by Thomas Norton and Thomas Sackville. Gorboduc was written in blank verse. Gorboduc was written in blank verse. When was Gorboduc published? Gorboduc was published in 1561. Philosophic Naturalist Principia Mathematica was published in 1687. Who wrote Philosophic Naturalis Principia Mathematica? Sir Isaac Newton. When was Principia published in English? 1728. Who wrote the play Venice Preserved? Thomas Otway wrote the play Venice Preserved. Venice Preserved was published in 1682. Venice Preserved was published in 1682. Boccaccio belonged to Italy. Boccaccio belonged to Italy. Who wrote Decameron? Decameron was written by Boccaccio. Boccaccio wrote Decameron. Decameron was the first attempt prose adventure. Decameron was the first attempted prose adventure. Gazetta Tatler. Gazetta Tatler was the first periodical. Gazetta Tatler was the first periodical, a manuscript newspaper in Europe. Gazetta Tatler was the first periodical, a manuscript newspaper in Europe. Who was given Elizabeth's first tutor? Roger Ascham. Roger Ascham was Queen Elizabeth's first tutor. Roger Ascham remained tutor of Elizabeth I from 1548 to 1550. Roger Ascham was a didactic writer. Roger Ascham was a didactic writer. Lifespan of Roger Ascham. Lifespan of Roger Ascham was from 1550 to 1568. John Marston and George Chapman were Renaissance writers. John Marston and George Chapman are Renaissance writers. George Chapman was a poet, a translator, and a dramatist. George Chapman was a poet, a translator, and a dramatist. The Duchess of Malfi is written by Webster. The Duchess of Malfi is written by Webster. Who is the most stern follower of the Senecan revenge tradition? John Webster is the modern stern follower of Senecan revenge tradition. Who wrote The White Devil? John Webster wrote The White Devil. John Webster wrote The White Devil. Vittoria Genci, Lodovico, and Bresciano are characters in The White Devil. William Congreve is the originator of Comedy of Manners. William Congreve is the originator of Comedy of Manner. Comedy of Manner was originated by William Congreve. The drama of the age of James I is known as Jacobean drama. John Fletcher and Shakespeare's The Two Noble Kinsmen retells the story of Chaucer's Knight's Tale, who said human body is considered of four humors: blood, phlegm, cholera, and melancholy. Ben Jonson. Every Man is His Humor is a drama by Ben Jonson. Roger Formal and Mr. Stephen are characters in Every Man in His Humor. Roger Formal and Mr. Stephen are characters in Every Man in His Humor. Who wrote the play The Silent Woman? The Silent Woman was written by Ben Jonson. Morse, Morose and Dauphine are characters in The Silent Woman. Morose and Dauphine are the characters in The Silent Woman. Who was the boy disguised as a woman in The Silent Woman? Epicoin was a boy disguised as a woman in The Silent Woman. Epicoin. Blank verse is unrhymed iambic pentameter. Sidney attributes a moral power and he encourages people to follow virtuous models to poetry in the defense of poetry. Sidney attributes a moral power and Sidney encourages people to follow virtuous models to poetry in the defense of poetry. William Caxton introduced art for printing into England. William Caxton introduced art of printing into England. Who succeeded Elizabeth I in 1603? James XVI of Scotland succeeded Elizabeth I in 1603. Life of Donne is John Donne's biography authored by Isaac Walton. Life of Donne is the biography of John Donne authored by Isaac Walton, who imagined himself as the modern version of Augustus Caesar. James I imagined himself as the modern version of Augustus Caesar. Paradise Lost by John Milton assimilate and critique the epic tradition. Charles II ruled with deference to the Parliament. Tudor Cartridge had learned the art of intrigue and key to gaining power from an Italian book, Prince by Machiavelli. When did William Caxton print Le Marteau d'Arthur by Malory? William Caxton printed Le Marteau d'Arthur by Malory in 1485. War of Roses ended in 1485 on Bosworth Field. The Bible was printed in about 1455 in Germany by John Gutenberg. Arcadia was written by Philip Sidney. Astrophal and Stella was published. Astrophal and Stella and Arcadia. Dia published in 1591. It was written by Sir Philip Sidney. Astrophal and Stella was published in 1591 and written by Philip Sidney. Astrophal and Stella by Philip Sidney is a sonnet series. Surrey introduced blank verse in Aeneid. Surrey, Earl of Surrey introduced blank verse in Aeneid. Miles Coverdale made first complete translation of the Bible from Tyndale's version. Miles Coverdale made first complete translation of a Bible from Tyndale's version. Theatres were closed by Puritans in 1642. Walpole is Johnson's comedy. The Alchemist is by Ben Jonson. The Alchemist is written by Ben Jonson. Every Man in His Humour was published in 1598 by Ben Jonson. Bartholomew Fair was written by Ben Jonson in 1614. Bartholomew Fair was written by Ben Jonson in 1614. Who is called the great genius of Elizabethan age? William Shakespeare is called the great genius of Elizabethan age. Shakespeare wrote two narrative poems. Rape of Lucrece. Rape of Lucrece is a narrative poem by Shakespeare. Rape of Lucrece is a narrative poem by Shakespeare. Name the narrative poem written by Shakespeare. Venus and Adonis. Venus and Adonis is the narrative poem written by Shakespeare. Shakespeare published 154 sonnets. Shakespeare published 154 sonnets. Marlowe was born in 1564. Thomas Kidd was born in 1558 in London. The Spanish Tragedy was written in 1587 by Thomas Kidd. The Spanish Tragedy was written in 1587 by Thomas Kidd. Hero and Leander and Tamburlaine are written by Marlowe. Hero and Leander and Tamburlaine are written by Thomas Marlowe. Edward II and Dido, Queen of Carthage, are written by Christopher Marlowe. The year of gunpowder plot is 1605. The year of gunpowder plot is 1605. The gunpowder plot is also known as gunpowder treason plot. Gunpowder plot was a failed assassination attempt against Queen or King James I. Oliver Cromwell was protector under England's first written constitution. Oliver Cromwell was the protector under England's first written constitution. Choler, black bile, yellow bile, and phlegm are four bodily humors. Characteristics of the university wits. Themes were tragic and heroic. Why were the certain writers of 16th century called university wits? They were educated at universities. Christopher Marlowe and George Peele were included in university wits. Christopher Marlowe and George Peele was included in university wits. Thomas Lodge, George Peele, and John Lilly are graduated from Oxford. Thomas Lodge, George Peele, and Thomas Lilly were graduated from Oxford. Robert Greene, Thomas Nashe, and Marlowe were educated from Cambridge. Euphrates, The Anatomy of Wit is by John Lilly. Euphrates, The Anatomy of Wit is by John Lilly. Ben Jonson, Christopher Marlowe, and Thomas Dekker are dramatists of Elizabethan age. Ben Jonson, Christopher Marlowe, and Thomas Dekker are dramatists of Elizabethan age. Miss Machiavelli had a great influence on university wits, in whose hands drama got perfection in Elizabethan age. William Shakespeare, who wrote Ralph Rochester Doyster. Nicholas Udell wrote Ralph Rochester Doyster. Ralph Rochester Doyster is a comedy. Ralph Rochester Doyster was published in 1556. Who is given the credit of originating the phrase Pandora's Box by Erasmus, who wrote Gammer Gutten's Needle. William Stevenson wrote Gammer Gutten's Needle. The first English tragedy on Senecan grounds was Gorboduc. The first English tragedy on Senecan grounds was Gorboduc. Tragedy of Gorboduc was published in 1561. Gorboduc was written by Thomas Norton and Thomas Sackville. What is the theme of Gorboduc in Plays Onwards? Blood asketh blood. Death must require death is the theme of Gorboduc in Plays Onwards. Blood asketh blood. Death must require death. Who is called the father of English dramatic poetry by critics? Christopher Marlowe is called the father of English dramatic poetry by critics. The leader of university wit was Christopher Marlowe. Who gave the model of blank verse in drama? Christopher Marlowe gave the model of blank verse in drama. Endymion, The Man on the Moon is written by John Lilly. Endymion, The Man on the Moon is written by John Lilly. Who refined drama and brought it out of the alehouse into courtly chamber? John Lilly. When was Renaissance in full bloom in England? During Elizabeth's age, Renaissance was full in bloom in England. Gossens, The School of Abuse. Gossens, The School of Abuse is anti-dramatic book of Elizabethan age. Gossens, The School of Abuse is an anti-dramatic book of Elizabethan age. The Fairy Queen best expresses the spirit of Renaissance. Fairy Queen is an epic. It is also known as an allegory. Thomas Kidd started the tradition of revenge tragedy. The tradition of revenge tragedy was started by Thomas Kidd. The Defense of Poesy was written by Sidney. The Defense of Poesy was written by Sidney. It was published in 1595. The Last Play by Shakespeare, Henry VIII. The last play by Shakespeare was Henry VIII. All Well That Ends Well is a problem comedy by Shakespeare. All is well that ends well is a problem comedy by Shakespeare. Lego is famous villain in Shakespeare's Othello. Lego is famous villain in Shakespeare's Othello. Lego is famous villain in Shakespeare's Othello. It is the product of dramatic development during early 16th century interlude. who speaks these lines in Hamlet? Doubt that the stars are fire, doubt that suns doth move, doubt truth be a liar, but never doubt that I love. Hamlet. Who wrote Shakespearean tragedy in 1904? S.C. Bradley. S.C. Bradley wrote Shakespearean tragedy in 1904. Other name of Gorboduc is Ferex and Porrex. Other name of Gorboduc is Ferex and Porrex. Thomas More's Utopia, first published in Latin and then translated into English in 16th century. Who started persecution of Protestants in 1550s, condemns them. Mary Tudor. Senecan influence gave rise to revenge tragedy. Senecan influence gave rise to revenge tragedy. Who initiated the Reformation movement in 1517? Martin Luther. Reformation movement was against Catholics. Who called Bacon brightest, wisest, and the meanest of mankind? A Pope, Alexander Pope, called Bacon brightest, wisest, and meanest of mankind. What made Renaissance painting different from the previous period of art? Subjects were painted as they appeared in nature. Made Renaissance painting different from the previous period of art. Which period is also called the Elizabethan period or the age of Shakespeare? Elizabethan Renaissance period. Who made an attempt to have the unity of time, place, and action in his plays? Ben Jonson made an attempt to have the unity of time, place, and action in his plays. Ben Jonson. Who doesn't belong to the period of Renaissance? Tennyson belongs to Victorian period. The period which prompted revival of learning is the Renaissance period. An important feature of Renaissance was an emphasis on the literature of Greece and Rome. Which of these is not a Renaissance artist, architect, or writer? Laurent de Medic. Which was a major characteristic of Renaissance Romanism? What artist is considered the first Renaissance painter? Giotto.